Understanding I'm jet lagged, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase you might hear in English, especially in travel contexts. I'm jet lagged. This video will help you understand what it means, how to use it, and some interesting facts about it. So, let's get started. When someone says, I'm jet lagged, they are referring to a feeling of tiredness caused by a long journey across different time zones. This isn't just ordinary tiredness, it's a temporary sleep disorder. Jet lag happens because your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, is out of sync with the new time zone. It can include symptoms like fatigue, insomnia, digestive problems, and difficulty concentrating. You'll typically hear, I'm jet lagged, in travel-related situations. For instance, after flying from New York to Tokyo, someone might say, I'm really jet lagged after that long flight. It's a casual phrase, often used in informal conversations. You can also use it in different tenses depending on the context. For example, past tense, I was jet lagged after my trip to Australia. Future tense, I will probably be jet lagged when I arrive in Paris. While we're on the topic, here are a few tips to help combat jet lag. 1. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before your trip. 2. Stay hydrated during your flight. 3. Try to sleep on the plane if it's nighttime at your destination. 4. Once you arrive, adapt to the local schedule as soon as possible. Understanding phrases like, I'm jet lagged, is a great step in mastering the English language, especially if you love traveling. We hope this video has been informative and helps you communicate your travel experiences more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!